Welcome to the Pneumatics Configuration Guide. We are going to configure Radius Authentication for the Pneumatics device. Once you've logged into the Pneumatics UI, you will go to the Configuration folder. Because Radius is used for authentication, you will want to validate that AAA is enabled on your Pneumatics. Go to the AAA menu item and check the Enable box for the AAA services. You will also want to validate that under Internal Web Server, the usernames are enabled because Radius utilizes usernames for its authentication. You then want to click on the Submit button to submit all changes to your configuration page. Once you've enabled AAA, you want to select the Realm-Based Routing menu item, and we will need to create a new server to send our Radius requests to. So click on the Add button to create a new Radius service profile. Give your Radius service profile a name. We will call ours Radius Server. You want to enable Radius Authentication, so check the box next to Enable Radius Authentication Service. Your Radius server will be configured with a specific protocol. Our server uses PAP, but you can also use CHAP, MSCHAP, or MSCHAP v2. That's based on your server. So we will select PAP because our server is set for PAP. In the primary IP address, enter the information for your server. Our Radius server IP address is 67.130.149.120. We use the standard authentication port of 1645, and our Radius shared secret for our server is pneumatics, so enter this shared secret, the secret key. We also want to enable Radius accounting to receive the Radius accounting messages on our server, and the server is the same IP address, 67.130.149.120. We use the standard Radius accounting port of 1646 with the same secret key, pneumatics. Click on the Add button to add this profile. You can then click on the Back to Main Radius Routing Settings page link to validate that your profile has been added. Once that has been added, you will want to go to the Radius Client menu item. You will want to set your default Radius mode to fixed and select the service profile that you just created under default Radius service profile. It's Radius server. And then you will want to select the available variables based on the type of service that you're wanting to support with the Pneumatics VSAs and other Radius settings. We will leave these all as default for today. So you hit Submit to submit your changes. We have now configured Radius Authentication on the Pneumatics device.